There's something most traders are still completely sleeping on. And honestly, I think a lot of people don't even realize this. Anthropic has just released something seriously powerful. With this, you can create an AI agent that could actually handle your entire trading system for you. Not just give you analysis, not just write code, but actually read your data, remember your strategy, and manage your whole trading workflow while you're doing something else completely. That's exactly what this new Claude update allows you to do. In this video, I am going to walk you through every single step, from installing the app all the way to connecting it to your trading platform and running your first automated signal. No fluff, no theory, no complicated explanations, just the setup, step by step. Let's get into it. So here is what we are building today. We are setting up Claude Cowork as a personal trading assistant. That means it will be able to read your trade data, analyze charts, run scheduled reports, and even place trades through your exchange account. Think of it like hiring a digital assistant that actually understands trading, except you do not pay a salary. You just set it up once, and it works for you from that point on. Now let me show you how to install it. Head over to claude.ai/download. You will see download options for Mac and Windows. Click on your operating system. The download starts automatically. Once it finishes, open the installer and follow the prompts. It takes about 2 minutes. When you open the app for the first time, it looks like a simple chat window. But do not let that fool you. This is where all the power lives. Now here is something important. To access the Cowork features, you need to be on Claude Pro or Claude Max. Cowork is a premium feature, so make sure your plan is upgraded before you continue. Once you are on the right plan, you will see the Cowork option in your interface. Click on it, and you are in. That is the install. Done. Now we need to set up your workspace. When you first open Cowork, it will ask you to choose your connected folders. These are the folders on your computer that Claude is allowed to access. Here is what I recommend. Create a brand new folder on your desktop. Name it something simple like AI Trading. Inside that folder, create 3 subfolders. One called Data, one called Reports, and one called Scripts. Now go back to Cowork and point it to that main Claude Trading folder. This is important. Claude can only see what is inside the folders you give it access to. It cannot touch anything else on your computer, so keep everything organized in one place. Your data folder is where you will drop trade history files. Your reports folder is where Claude will save the analysis it creates. And your scripts folder is where any code or automation files will live. Clean setup, easy to manage, let's move on. Now let's see how this system actually analyzes the data. First, I go to my IC Markets platform and export the last 30 days of trading data. Then, I store that file in a dedicated data folder. After that, I move over to the cloud inside Claude Workspace, and from here, I give it a simple instruction. This file contains my trading data, analyze it deeply. And give me clear, structured insights. And now, you can see the result. It has analyzed my entire trading history, pointed out exactly where I'm lacking, what needs improvement, and what I'm doing right or wrong. Every single detail clearly broken down. And honestly, this can help you a lot in your own trading too. You can use it in the exact same way. Now let's do your second basic interaction. Open up Cowork, and let's pull some quick market intel. Drop this exact prompt in. Scan the current Bitcoin price action. Give me a fast breakdown. Are we in a strong trending environment or a choppy ranging market right now? Hit enter. Claude will process your request and come back with a structured answer. It will break down the market conditions, mention key levels. You do not have to re-explain your setup. You do not have to repeat your preferences. It picks up right where you left off. That context memory is what makes this feel like a real assistant instead of a random chatbot. Play around with it, ask it a few questions, get comfortable with the interface before we move to the next step. Now let's build some simple logic. You can ask Claude to help you create a basic trading strategy. Try something like this. Write me a highly effective momentum reversal strategy using MACD divergence and RSI confirmation on the 1-hour time frame. Explain the setup and generate the plug-and-play Pine script code for TradingView. Claude will write the logic from scratch. It will explain what each part does in plain language. And it will give you a ready-to-use Pine script that you can paste directly into TradingView. You do not need to know how to code for this. Claude handles the technical part. You just tell it what you want in normal words. And if you want to tweak it, just say something like make the entry more conservative or add an EMA filter. Claude adjusts the code and explains what changed. This is how you build strategies without needing a programming background. Now here is the most important step, connecting Claude to your exchange through an API. An API is just a secure bridge between two apps, in this case between Claude Cowork and your exchange account. Here is how to set it up. Go to your exchange, open your account settings and find the API section. Click Create New API Key. Give it a name, something like Claude Trading. You will get 2 things, an API key and a secret key. Some exchanges also give you a passphrase. Let's talk risk management, and this is crucial. Consider these API keys highly classified. Never leave them exposed on your phone or in a text message. Stash them safely away. And here is the ultimate safety hack. When you grant permissions, you authorize trading, but you strictly forbid withdrawals. Think of it like giving an employee the register key, but not the safe key. Claude gets to execute your trades 24/7. But it has absolutely no power to move your money off the exchange. You remain in total control. Now let's wire it all together. Go back to your Claude interface and give it this instruction. Establish a direct link to my trading account using these keys, and check my available margin so I know we are connected. Paste the secret keys in the chat. Claude will process it, securely log in, and confirm your exact balance. Let's completely remove human emotion from your trading. We are taking it to the next level by building an automated pipeline between TradingView and Claude. The secret here is Webhooks. It's essentially a bridge. Your chart creates the signal, the bridge carries it to Claude, and Claude executes. To build this, tell Claude, spin up a webhook endpoint to listen for TradingView alerts. When a buy-or-sell signal hits, automatically execute the exact order parameters on my linked exchange. Grab the URL it generates. Next, open your TradingView strategy, hit the alert button, and paste that link into the webhook URL field. Drop the JSON format Claude provided into the message body. That is it. You just built a fully automated trading desk. TradingView spots the setup, and Claude pulls the trigger. Now, before you close everything out, let me show you a few small things that will make this entire setup 10 times more useful. These take a couple of minutes each, but they turn what you just built into a real system. First thing, open your Claude trading folder and create a simple text file. Call it My Prompts. Inside that file, write down the 5 prompts you are going to use the most. Your morning briefing prompt, your trade analysis prompt, your strategy request, your portfolio check, and your weekly report. Save it. Now, every time you open Cowork, you do not have to think about what to type. You just open that file, copy the prompt you need, and paste it in. It sounds simple, but this one file will save you more time than you think. Now, here is one that will save you from bad trades. Tell Claude this. Before you execute any trade for me, I want you to ask me 5 questions first. What is the trend direction? What is my risk amount? Where is my stop loss? What is the risk to reward? And is there a major news event in the next hour? Now, every time you give Claude a trade command, it will stop and run through that checklist with you before it does anything. This forces you to think before every single trade. And for beginners, that one habit alone can change everything. Next few minutes, I am going to show you 3 setups that will completely change how you trade every single day. First problem, emotional trading. You know the feeling, you take a loss.
Then another one.
And suddenly your brain says, I need to make it back, right now. That is revenge trading. And it is the #1 account killer for both crypto and forex traders. Here is how Claude Cowork stops it. Open Claude Desktop, create a new project, call it Trading Discipline. Now in the project instructions, paste your personal trading rules, your max trades per day, your position sizing rules, your required confirmations for every setup type, and a hard rule that says stop trading after 2 consecutive losses. Now here is the key. Before every single trade, you describe your setup to Claude, and Claude does not just say, sounds good. It interrogates you. It asks, what is your thesis? Where is your stop? What is your target? Does this meet your criteria? Is this your first, second, or third trade today? And if you already lost twice and you are trying to take a third trade, Claude flags it immediately. You do not need discipline to make this work. You just need to make it harder, to skip the checklist than to fill it out. That is the guardrail, and it works because the friction is the feature. Second problem, nobody keeps a journal. You know you should. Every trading book says so. But logging trades manually is boring. Analyzing them is harder, and most traders quit their journal within 2 weeks. Claude Cowork fixes this with a 3-layer system. Layer 1, fast capture. Connect Google Sheets to Claude using the MCP connector. It is free, takes 5 minutes. Now ask Claude to build you a complete trading journal. It creates the spreadsheet with every column you need. Date, pair, direction, entry, exit, stop loss, P&L, R multiple, setup type, emotional state, and it adds all the formulas automatically. Win rate, profit factor, equity curve, done. After every trade, you just tell Claude, log that I bought ETH at 3,200, stop at 3,150, targeting 3,350. Claude writes it directly into your sheet, 30 seconds per trade. Layer 2, automated weekly analysis. Schedule a task every Friday at market close. Claude reads your entire journal, calculates your win rate, average winner versus average loser, profit factor, and max drawdown. Then it breaks down performance by setup type, by day of week, and by session. But here is the real power. It flags behavioral patterns. Trades within 15 minutes of a loss, that is revenge trading. Position sizes that spike after wins, that is overconfidence. Claude catches all of it Layer 3. Monthly coaching. A monthly scheduled task reviews all your weekly reports, compares this month to last month, and recommends 3 specific rule changes for next month, ranked by impact. By month 3, Claude has enough data to tell you things like, your breakout trades on Tuesdays have a 72% win rate, but your mean reversion trades on Fridays lose money consistently. The traders who win with this are not looking for an AI oracle, they are using AI as a mirror that reflects their own behavior back to them, with uncomfortable clarity. That is the edge. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. Subscribe if you want more setups like this, and drop a comment telling me which of the 3 automations you are setting up first. I will see you in the next one.